In this video, I will show you how to download apps on smart TV not available on the App Store. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you want to download applications to your smart TV but you are unable to find this application on the smart TV's App Store, this is what you have to do. Now, we are going to use an application I love so much and it's called Downloader. So Downloader is an application that helps you download anything on your smart TV. It can be from applications, APKs, files, software, to anything that is found on the internet. So if you don't have this application on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a guide there that is going to help you install and download this application to your smart TV. So just go through it and install the application. So once you've launched the application, all you have to do is come to this search box here and put in the link or the name of the application that you are searching for that you've not found on your App Store. So for instance, if you're looking for an application like TV Bro, this is just an example that came to my head right now. You can search for literally any application. So for instance, if I search for application like TV Bro, all I have to do is just to type in the keyword there rightly and then I click on go. Once I click on go, Downloader is going to show me where I can install this application from the internet. And as you can see on my screen right now, here are the various sources that I can install TV Bro to my smart TV, even though this application is not on my smart TV's App Store. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.